Hi guys. So this is my first YouTube channel. Um, I thought we'd start it off with uh, how my honeypot works, how it looks like, and the functionality and the idea behind it. Okay, so my honeypot is being currently hosted on a virtual machine on my one of my workstations. Just gonna remote in here quickly. Just wanna show you the all the ports that's being forwarded to the honeypot. I've just commented the actual ports I am using, or the network address translation rules I am using with ZZZ. So all the highlighted ones are being forwarded to the honeypot to basically log the connection, etc. And then also I have filter rules that's set up to block incoming traffic. The blacklists you see over here, the two blacklists, are just for that's one, and there's another one over here. Um, just to block all the traffic, this was the blacklist was downloaded from Taylor's Intelligence. It basically gives you about 20,000 IPs. Um, and then I've also made a blacklist too of the currently most, let's say the top 10 uh, blacklisted or the top 10 IP addresses that wants to connect to my network. So let's go to the honeypot. So as I said, it's hosted on one of my workstations. So let's go to the workstation. And yes, okay, currently you can see the last 30 minutes of events. This is county. So basically you can actually go check what ports are basically logged by county. Glasgow PFI now is port 80, Conpot, Dionia, and Honeytrap, and Elastic Pot, and Suricata. So here at the bottom you can see um, the different types of machines that tries to access my network. Um, and then the most usernames that was used and the most passwords that was used. Uh, Geolocation of the logged IP addresses, and here it's basically just split up um, from the most, I would say the most logged events from countries. So we've got the ports over here as well, not the ports, basically just the count, and then everything is logged obviously. Okay, so let's go to the top. I'm going to change it quickly to not the last 30 days, but we want to check the last 30 days. So it's not last 30 minutes, it's now set to last 30 days. As you can see, it's a significant change in what has happened in the last 30 days. You can also check here the counts as well now. So basically that IP I have added to my list um, on my blacklist to block any traffic coming from that address. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think. And yeah, it's basically I'm going to show you a TPOT Honeypot. So it's just from T Systems. You also have different dashboards on TPOT Honeypot itself. Let me just move this aside. We get the Cabana. This is the Cabana dashboard. So we get the ESH plugin that basically shows your logs. And then we also have, if we go home, you get a lot of different, I would say, uh, yeah, you get a lot of different visualizations to set it up the way you want. This is basically the default setup that you get, but I have configured mine to basically be the default for whenever I click on Cabana. But yes, I think you guys will enjoy it, and it's a nice tool even for small business or corporate. It is a free tool, and it is generating a 8192, basically uh, yeah, an RSA key, a private key. So it is a secure system. It's not like the developers of this TPOT Honeypot systems has basically made it to connect from the outside. You are able to enable web SSH to be able to forward the port 80 to this, I would say, interface so that you can view it from outside. But I'm not using that at all because I can just remote to my machine and then make another remote session to the actual server that's hosting this. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll be posting more videos. Thank you.